Want to change your ESPN Fantasy Football draft time? Here's how to do it in a few steps. First, launch open the ESPN Fantasy app, or you can do this on the ESPN Fantasy website as well. Now log into your league. After that, tap on the My Team option. Now, tap on the League tab. Once you get here, tap on League Manager Tools. Once you get here, tap on the Draft Settings option. Here, you will find different options. Go ahead and find Draft Date and Time. First, you want to select your draft date. After that, you can select your time. So go ahead and select your preferred time from here. After that, tap on the Save option. If you again want to change it, head back over to Draft Settings. And then you can change your time from here. Then tap on Save. In this way, you can easily change your ESPN Fantasy Football draft time. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.